is a rope drop at Lagoon. Yep. Wow.
Huh?
It will be busy today. It's very warm.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very good for spring right now. They haven't opened it yet, and not very dense either. People aren't packed.
Well, never been before, so we'll try right now. We'll see.
Yeah, I've never been. I have been skimming over anything that talks at all about what this ride is about. I know it's a roller coaster. I know there's screens. I know it's interactive, but there's an owl and a dragon. That's what I know.
It's supposed to be combining of the thrill ride, roller coaster. Also, it's what they call 4D because you go in a cart and cart is moving around, and also got 3D screens and 3D glasses and kind of shooting stuff around.
It has been 8 years in the making. It started under the owner David Freed, who passed away in 2022, and his children have owned the park now. They have brought it up, and so in a lot of ways this is also kind of the opening of this is the last thing that David Freed did for the park.
Legacy.
It's his legacy. So.
But I think they're open. What is time right now? It is 10:02, so the ride is open and we can see the stuff moving.
We're kind of in the queue, but outside now. We're going in. I'm excited.
They don't have it like waiting lines like they have it in other areas. Oh, listen to this. Starting. And
This is Utah in the spring.
It is. It's Utah in the spring. It's snow, and flowers.
I kind of like that sound when
Then
someone's just starting out, because it actually sounds a little bit like a horn.
I think it's what it is. It's what they try to do, create like a horn sound.
Yeah. Well,
And it's make excited other people.
Or is it
Oh, it's on purpose.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
So
yeah.
need like other people know. Oh, there's another one.
We're starting to get them going a little faster now.
It's always interesting, go first time on a ride when you've never been. You just don't know what to expect.
I know, it's fun. That's why, it's fun to go all over. But apparently this ride is supposed to be, different. There's a lot of differences, so you can have a thrill no matter when you go.
Yeah, it is. It's combination, so we'll see. Okay, so we are right now about 25 minutes in the queue.
Okay.
Actually more, because we come before, so this is already half hour at least wait here.
Yep. We're going in now.
Look on this door.
Wow. They're changed.
And now we're going to another queue. Animatronics.
Step closer, brave warriors. On behalf of the kingdom, I, Queen Azdra, welcome you. You have answered our call, and the time is now for your journey to begin. Our mountain home is in grave danger, and we depend on you to save it. Our story begins with children and magnificent creatures, each of whom possess an extraordinary gift. Dragnor, with his endless blazing breath, fuels the sun which spreads light across our land. And with her majestic wings, Astradir shelters our starlit sky, assuring that dust will descend. Dragnor and Astradir grant us day and night.
close you think we are? It's 55 minutes.
Wow.
Big glasses.
Yeah, nice.
It's no different, same size, yes? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hide up. Whoa, you look weird. Just get closer and close up for more as they're going around.
Oh, wow.
And it's look like it will be fountain probably or waterfall. I think it's waterfall.
I bet.
Will be here.
I bet. There has been. That's cool.
How many?
2.
So it took us 1 hour right now from time when the entrance to up to here. And we go to city.
Yeah.
On the left? I should sit here. Oh, okay.
Sit where?
Oh, it's fine. I should sit there, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and push these down.
Huh? Oh, nice. We're gonna shoot things. Are you sure you don't want me to?
The what?
No.
You ready to shoot?
I'm ready to shoot. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew. Pew, pew. Pew, pew. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh no! Okay, so here we going to ride. Right
Yeah.
now, Amy is ready to shoot, and I will be shooting with the camera. There's you have a gun, and you're supposed to just take this gun and point and shoot. And down below you have your score panel.
Oh, here we go.
There you go. There we start going. So it was in this lane. Let's look at my score. 0.
Yay! We're none! Oh, I had to make a score!
So what do you got it?
I'm 4970, that's me.
Nice. So it is very interesting ride.
Yeah, that's really cool. That's
This
fun.
combination with surprises that you don't expect.
Yes.
And actually look right here. They have another
Oh, you
entrance.
can come in through another
So they
way.
have a, yeah, they have a
Oh, that's
way.
cool. Evil has been defeated.
It's those guys who is supposed to save Owl and the Fox, I think, is supposed to save it.
Yep. Owl and the dragon.
Yep. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. It was great. Thank you.
Go ahead.
Oh, thanks. That is awesome. That's a ticket ride. Thank you. You too.
There you go. There's our first ride. We'll tell after. Let's walk. So it's okay. So there's an exit. You're going around under things and
We're going
to.
see who's been the best for the last few times.
So this one is $25. So this is just Primordial t-shirt. I can they do. They also have it hoodie. Actually, this is an interesting hoodie, and this is hoodie is, let's look how much. $41. It's actually a very thin material hoodie. It's not thick. You got another. Oh, this one a little bit feel better. Yeah, it's look. They have a lot of different, a little bit thicker. And actually in Utah, it's very nice to have it thicker because it's getting quite a bit cold sometimes. And this one is $46. That's again more thick, all different type and styles. Oh, look at this, they have even one with a basil, a sparkly, of course lagoon, and right on top, all different animals. Ooh, I like that one. I wonder if this one is, I wonder if it's from their show or not. I don't know. And there's scores. Yeah, look at this. There's scores on top. See, I don't know. Kind of cool. And right here we have more Primordial Lagoon. And also you actually can buy pins. Every time when you take some ride, you can take a pins on this. And pants, shorts, more hoodies, toys. I think you can find a t-shirt here or a shirt almost for anything you want. Even with the, there you go, cut sleeve one for $21. That's kind of nice. And of course the people have it all this with twisted collars. Kind of nice ones. Hello, Emma.
Hello.
And a snake. Oh, this is cool. They have cups in.
Huh?
The cups, Primordial Lagoon cup.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That one looks
$12.
I agree. This one looks a lot. I like that one. $12.
Yeah, I think it's a good price actually for this.
That's a really
What about
good price.
pins? Do you find some?
Well, this is a primordial pin. If we're gonna
If you want to
get a
get
pin
pin
today, we need to celebrate going on primordial.
for first time? Okay,
For the
let's
first
get
time,
pin. Oh look, they
$7.99.
also have those ones. This kind
Oh
of
wait.
tomorrow.
Ooh. Oh,
and
and this one.
these. Ooh, and
Oh
yeah.
wait.
They
They
have-
have better pins than
And this one Primordial. Look on this one.
Oh, that looks cool.
And I think this you can. Yep. See, it's a
Ooh.
drop off this
Oh,
stuff.
I like that one. That is $15.99. I like this.
Magnets right here.
That's a puzzle and a mag
You can have it Primordial spoon.
spoon. Yeah, people still collect spoons a lot.
And some other spoon. The hat. Oh, and look, they have it also. This kind of. Look at this, all animals. And some candy, toys. I think this is just a general. Yeah, it's just general. Well, they have a kids area right here. Kids t-shirt, Primordial. And teeny tiny kids.
This is for wings.
They have it. Oh, the wings is. Oh, that is cool. Tail and wings.
Yeah, isn't that? That's very
Okay. And there you have the owls. This is from the show. The show from this. Yeah, I think this is more like kids. You had fox, owls. Well, the funny bats.
That is about 2 hours.
So this line, yep, it's about 2 hours wait right now for this line. And we was about hour for the Primordial. I think the Primordial is better than I expect, honestly.
Yeah.
It is 5 minutes ride, but it does not feel like 5 minutes. It feels much faster.
Oh, it felt like 1 minute or something like that.
Some it is.
As opposed to Cannibal, which I mean, it was a good experience in Cannibal, saying, wow, this is a long, roller coaster. But that one, everything goes by so quick, which again, I think is a good thing for that particular coaster. You're like, wow, that was fast. That was so cool.